All right, guys, we are looking to do full system swap here. Okay. We are just inside the back door, so there's easy access. You won't have to go walking through the house or anything. So you can park right there on the street, bring everything right through here. This washer and dryer, he and his son are going to move out the way, so you'll have plenty of space. Right now there's a wall return right up there that everything's pulling through into the back of this unit. This right now is a C-width, 34 inches tall. What we'll need to do is I ordered a B-width, so we're actually going to be a little bit thinner here just for easier access. But we'll need to put a base on that, maybe like a 22 inch tall base. Connect the return, which I can't get back there. I don't know exactly what those dimensions are. I'm assuming it's about 21 inches wide. I don't know if you can see back there or not. Looks like there's a condensate pump back there as well. But either way, we'll need to build a base. I have it in the checklist. So we'll do base. We'll do a slim fit filter housing. His filter's right now on the wall, but he'd prefer to have it back here. So we'll do base, filter housing, furnace, coil. Plenty of room to play with up top. We've got a 4-inch flue. Water heater over there is electric, so that's not being tied in. I can't see around the corner. I don't know what we're dealing with back there, if there's a clean out tee, so I'll just throw a bunch of stuff on the checklist for you. And then service disconnect, gas shut off back there. And then the outdoor unit is sitting right next to the door here. So we'll need to place a service disconnect there. You can probably just reuse this pad. Looks like it's a poured pad. Flush line sets. It's all coming to the top right there.